Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up us some amazing and stylish crochet cup coasters designs ideas to keep your home cozy and dry. Hope so you like this video and different collections, so please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. In this video, we'll be crocheting a set of simple cup coaster designs ideas, perfect for your coffee table or decks. Learn how to crochet these quick and easy crochet to match your home decor and protect your surface from place. First up let's start with the foundation chain. Next we are add some multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add the border. We'll be using a combination of double crochet stitches and simple single crochet stitches to create a decorative edge. Use cotton yarn and some embellishment. Experiment with different yarn color and embellishment to create unique and amazing crochet cup coaster designs ideas. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, and many other accessories you use and decor your cup coaster borders easily. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely look crochet cup coaster is complete and ready to decor and use and gift your lovely ones, friends, customers, and others. If you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. You add some embellishments and personalized touch and decor your crochet cup coasters easily, and that's it. Your set of cup coaster is complete and ready to use, ready to gift. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, videos and tutorials. DIY tutorial keep your home cozy and organized. If you want more information, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. See you in the next video. Share your finished crochet cup coaster with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about home decoration ideas, organization and different ideas. Happy hooking. We will be seeing the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching.